Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Tuesday, October 24th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. Olson, a manufacturing company that produces aluminum walk-in vans, announced layoffs across all 3 of its locations in Michigan, Tennessee, and Virginia. This reduction in force could be due to the ongoing UAW strike, which has impacted the entire automotive industry and related organizations and businesses. It's unknown at this time both how many employees are impacted by these layoffs, as well as when they will occur. GoDaddy, the IT domain registrar and web hosting company headquartered in Tempe, AZ, and with a base of operations in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, has completed a set of layoffs across 2 business units. The number of employees impacted is unknown at this time. GoDaddy implemented a 530-person layoff this year and downshifted its operations to a smaller headquarters late last year, so these layoffs are probably also cost savings related. Finally, marijuana multi-state operator Curaleaf Holdings, headquartered in Wakefield, Massachusetts, has implemented a reduction in force of unknown size. A statement by Curaleaf gave the explanation for the layoffs as further optimizing and integrating the business. Curaleaf has operations across 17 states and employs 5,500 people, with some of them unionized, and no union layoffs have been made notice of so far. These cuts follow Curaleaf's layoffs in March and July of this year.